Hey Instagram users, today I'll show you how to switch from a professional account back to a personal account on Instagram. If you're tired of insights or just want to simplify your experience, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your professional account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Step 5. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see Switch Account Type. Tap on it. Step 6. Select Switch to Personal Account and read through the information about what features you'll lose by switching back. Step 7. Tap Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. Instagram may ask you to confirm one more time. Tap Switch Back to finalize. And that's it. Your Instagram is now a personal account again. Remember that you'll lose access to professional tools like insights, contact buttons, and category labels. If you change your mind, you can always switch back to a professional account later. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.